Hey, it's Chris from LifterLMS, and I'd like to welcome you to the LifterLMS Black Friday All November sale. So for the entire month of November through the end of November 30, you can get anything that LifterLMS makes for 50% off. All you have to do is use coupon code BlackFriday23 at checkout, and you will get 50% off. But that's not all. You'll also get 6 bonuses valued at $2,000. This is the best time of year to get LifterLMS at the best price, get the awesome bonuses, and enjoy all the benefits of LifterLMS. LifterLMS is the leading learning management system solution for WordPress. It's reliable, it's scalable, it's infinitely customizable, and we are known for having the best support in the industry. So take advantage of the biggest sales event of the year with the LifterLMS Black Friday All November sale. All you have to do is use coupon code BlackFriday23 at checkout. Welcome to LifterLMS.